Hello everyone, I am Srinivas from Tiruvarur. I am studying second year BCom at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am here to show my BMC presentation on IndiaMart.
IndiaMart Intermess Limited is an Indian e-commerce company that provides B2B and customer-to-customer sales service via its web portal. The group began in 1996 when Dinesh Agarwal and Brijesh Agarwal founded the website. IndiaMart.com, a business-to-business portal to connect Indian manufacturers with buyers. The company is headquartered in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. The partner of IndiaMart are Telecom DSA, BFSI and NBFC DSA, FMCG and FMCG distributors, domestic PPOs, companies providing merchant acquisition service, manpower and sales outsourcing firm. The company mission is to make doing business easy. IndiaMart for buyers, convenience of connecting with a sellers anytime, anywhere. Wider marketplace with a range of product and suppliers. IndiaMart for suppliers, enhanced business visibility, increased creditability for your brand, lead management system. IndiaMart has 2,754 employees located across 32 offices in the country. IndiaMart is India's largest online B2B marketplace for business product and service with approximately 60% market share of online B2B classified space in the Indian fiscal 2017, according to the KPMG report. The company primarily operates through its product and supplies discovery marketplace www.indiamart.com or IndiaMart. Its online marketplace provides a platform for mostly business buyers to discover products and service and contact the suppliers of such business product and service. IndiaMart had an aggregate of 325.8 million, 552.6 million and 723.5 million visits in fiscal 2017, 2018 and 2019 respectively. The company refers to sellers of products and services listed on IndiaMart marketplace as suppliers and suppliers that subscribe to paid service on IndiaMart as paying subscription suppliers. The company refers to each visitor to IndiaMart, including among others each separate visitors from the same business entity or establishment, for whom the company obtains basic identifying and contact information as registered business. As of March 31, 2019, the company had 82.70 million registered buyers and it had 5.5 million subscribers storefronts in India. This Indian subscribers storefront listed 60.73 million products and as on March 31, 2019, of which 76% of good comprised product and 24 point were service. The company refers to inquiry placed by buyers in IndiaMart through telephone, SMS, email or by posting an RFG business inquiry. The company counts business inquiries received by a suppliers, including each receipt of same business inquiry by multiple suppliers as business inquiries delivered. A total of 156.84 million, 285 million and 455 million business inquiries respectively were delivered to IndiaMart suppliers to fiscal 2017, 2018 and 2019. For the year ended March 31, 2018 and 2019, the company had 52.59 million and 72.52 million daily inquiries buyers expect, of which 52 and 55.5 million repeat buyers calculated basic of the past 90 days respectively. IndiaMart provides a robust two-way discovery marketplace connecting buyers and suppliers. Buyers locate suppliers on marketplace including both Indian small and medium enterprises or SMEs and large corporates. By viewing a web page containing the suppliers and product and service listing or supply storefront, or by posting requests for requests called RFQs or buy leads. It marketplace offering the buyers can research for view product and service listing cover a widespread range of industries spread across India rather than relying on single target industries or type of geographies. As marketplace in India is as of March 31, 2019, the company had organized its listing across 54 industries. IndiaMart provides an effective and trusted platform to help business leverage of power of the internet to increase their market reach and conduct commerce. The company's online marketplace is assembled through desktop and mobile optimized platform and apps on personal computing and mobile device. Its IndiaMart mobile website together with the IndiaMart mobile app accounted for 63%, 72% and 76% of total traffic to IndiaMart for fiscals 2017, 2018 and 2019 respectively. Thank you.